Hello there, heroes in training. Welcome to the Super Listener Academy, where we learn to use our amazing super listening powers. I'm your guide, Captain Listen Up, and today we're going to unlock the powers you need to become a super listener. Are you ready to get started? Let me tell you, super listening is no ordinary skill. It's the secret power behind making strong friendships, learning all sorts of cool stuff, and showing respect. When you use your super listening powers, people know you're focused and ready to be the best superhero possible. So, get ready, little heroes. Let's unleash your full potential. Superpower number 1. Activate eye focus. Lock your eyes on the person speaking. This shows them you're paying attention and helps you catch every detail, like a true superhero. How does it make you feel when someone doesn't look at you while you're talking? It's not a great feeling, is it? That's why using your eye focus superpower shows others they're important to you. Superpower number 2. Activate sonic hearing. Use your ears to capture every word and sound. No detail escapes your superhero ears. Can you think of a time when someone didn't listen to you? How did that feel? It's frustrating, right? But when you activate sonic hearing, you make others feel valued, and that's a true superhero move. Superpower number 3. Engage silent mode. Staying quiet powers up your focus so you can absorb every word like a hero in action. What do you think happens when superheroes talk over each other? That's right, chaos. Silent mode keeps everything calm and focused, so you can be ready to save the day. Superpower number 4. Activate steady stance. Keep your hands and feet steady like a hero in focus mode. This helps you and everyone around you stay in superhero mode. Superheroes know that staying calm and steady is the key to staying ready for action. Superpower number 5. Power up brain radar. Focus your brain to process what's being said. Your superhero radar is now locked in to learn. To become a super listener, all you need to do is combine the superpowers we just learned about. When you put these superpowers together, you'll be ready to listen like a true hero. Fantastic work! Thanks for joining me at my Super Listener Academy. You've learned all the skills to activate your super listening powers. Remember to use them every day and you'll be a true superhero in no time. Bye for now. I'm off to my next adventure.